Hi, so I'm gonna do some changes to my Trek 990. I had a BMX bar on this one, but I'm gonna change it up to a black Motobar, and I'm gonna put on some Gravelkings with the tan wall and add in some other components with brown. So Brooks 17 saddle with some Stranger BMX grips, also in brown, and a kind of brownish bag. So I think that's gonna look good. It was not a bad build, but I just want to change it up, have some fun with it again. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're gonna put that build video on YouTube. Thank you, bye bye.